Yo guys, this is Tom All Gamer again with another video. So today we'll be seeing about how to install Kali Linux, the hacking operating system on your Android device. You could probably, you can install any Linux OS on your Android device using this method. So first of all, what you got to do is head down to Google Play Store and download this app called Linux Deploy. It's from Me Freak, so it's a great app. So and another tip I want to give you is do not download this Droid VNC server and this VNC viewer. These both are really terrible apps. You could connect to it with your, you could connect your PC to your Android device with that, but it does not work. It does not needed in this video. So I recommend you guys not download it. You can download it for your own use, but for this video, certainly you won't be needing it. So today, guys, you need to download this VNC client and Linux deploy. So let's get started. So first of all, head on to Linux deploy, and what you have got to do is go to this download icon over here and set the distribution as Kali Linux, and most of the other things leave it as such. If you want to, you can select GNOME. I wanted to use LXDE as it uses less less RAM, so I wanted to use LXDE. You can use GNOME, you can use KDE, XFCE, you can use anything. If you are a newbie, I recommend you go for GNOME, and if you are really wacky geek, you could go for Xterm there. So select components to install. I've checked everything here, but there's another thing in this video that I wanted to tell you guys. You have to head on to graphics subsystem and set it to VNC. And another very important thing is that you set your width to 1920 and height to 1080. This is because when you hold your device like this, guys, it is actually the width becomes 1920 and height becomes 1080. I made this mistake in the first time when I installed, and it was like uh, the whole system was inverted. The screen was inverted. So that's pretty much it, and you want to go ahead and hit install, and okay, hit okay. You need a pretty good internet connection, and after it installs, what you are going to you need to actually go on to this download button again. It will say after your install is actually done, it will say status. Yeah, it says end status. Yeah, it will say end install. So it should be, and if it just ends in a few seconds, that means there's an error. Mostly the error will be that you don't have enough space on your device to install Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is going to take uh, some amount of your internal space. So I'm using a 1+1 64 GB. So 64 gigs. That's really good. And I don't need. There's no way I can use an external SD card on this device. And 64 gigs is pretty good. Pretty good. It's pretty good. So after you install, go ahead and you have to hit reconfigure. I have already reconfigured it, and then hit start. As you can see, it says end start. VNC started at 5900 and all that stuff. Okay, so as you can see, the address here says 127.0.0.1. That is actually the local host. So then on to VNC client, and as you can see here, you can set the nickname and the password. The password is actually changeme. See, HANGE If you, I hope you guys got that. If you hadn't, I'll put that in the description. So address is the last time I used it. I used it this with that address. So one now I'm going to put in the local host address. And one next. Okay, connect. As you can see, I have connected it to the VNC server, and right now I am using Kali Linux. It's quite simple actually, anyone could do it. You don't have to be a wacky genius. So that's pretty much it guys for today. This is Time Gamer signing off.